Well, if you are like me, you love coffee, and then a great addition to that is coffee cake. Joining us now with more on this is Melisa Konecky with Common Ground, and you have a recipe for coffee cake.
Yeah, so we're going to be making kind of a blueberry coffee cake. I love this recipe because everything you need, you typically have. It's not, anything strange. It's flour, sugar, the basics that are in your house, and you can use kind of basically whatever fruit you have. So we're going to start with 2 cups of flour and 3/4 cup of sugar. We've also got some baking powder and some salt here. So we got those dry ingredients kind of all mixed together. We've got about 1/4 cup of oil. So we're going to dump that in as well. And then we've got some milk and an egg. And of course, I talked about dairy, so there's got to be a dairy product. We've got milk. So you've got milk in your fridge typically. So that's, I think, always awesome. So we've got all those in the bowl. And last but not least, we've got our fruit. You can use frozen or fresh. So whatever you have, again, great way to use up whatever you have. Go ahead and get those mixed up. And then of course, the best part, we're gonna make a little bit of a crumbly topping, which I love on everything. So we've got some brown sugar, white sugar, and oatmeal. So again, things in your pantry, which is awesome. And then of course, more dairy, because why not? We got a 1/4 cup of butter. So you want it to be room temperature because you're going to kind of smash it up into your sugar, oatmeal, things like that. So go ahead and put that in there, smash it up. It's going to be kind of chunky chunks of butter. You're going to take then your fruit mixture with your flour and stuff, and you're going to put that in your 9 by 9, 9 by 13 pan. Go ahead and grease the bottom. And then once that's all in there, you're going to put in your crumbly topping. You're going to just put that right on top. Oven is going to be at 375, and you're going to cook, depending on the size of your pan, anywhere from 40 to 50 minutes. So just check it, every once in a while. The old toothpick method. If it comes out clean, it's done. So yeah, it's delicious.
All right. Thank you, Melisa. Good idea. Thanks for being here today.
Yes. Have a great day.